What is she under arrest for? No, I'm not bringing her out here yet. Let me know what she's under arrest for. For what? For what? Tell me.
Homicide. Open count of homicide. And tampering with evidence.
Tampering with evidence?
Yeah.
At the hospital?
Police arrived at a quiet home in Artesia, New Mexico, with the intent to arrest 19-year-old Alexee Trevizo. But before they could even reach her, her mother stood firmly in the doorway, pleading and fiercely defending her daughter. To understand why law enforcement was there, we need to revisit the night that set everything in motion. In the early hours of January 27, 2023, Alexee, a well-known high school cheerleader in her small community, walked into Artesia General Hospital complaining of severe back pain. Initially, doctors suspected something ordinary, perhaps kidney stones or a urinary tract infection, so they ordered lab tests and provided pain relief. However, when the results came back, the medical staff uncovered a secret Alexee had managed to keep from her friends, teachers, and even her own family. She was pregnant, and not only that, she was already in active labor. What followed was a moment of panic. Instead of cooperating with the staff, Alexee rushed into a hospital bathroom and locked the door. Minutes stretched into nearly half an hour, while staff grew increasingly concerned. When they finally gained access to the room, what they discovered sent shockwaves through the hospital. Hidden beneath layers of plastic and discarded materials was the body of a newborn baby boy. The discovery triggered an immediate confrontation as doctors and security questioned Alexee about what had taken place. Overcome with emotion and unable to deny the truth, she admitted that she had given birth in the bathroom and concealed the outcome. What began as a routine hospital visit had escalated into a tragic incident that would draw in law enforcement, ignite community outrage, and leave a family shattered by secrets. For the officers arriving at her home later, the case was not just about a young woman's hidden pregnancy, but about a chain of decisions that would change her life forever.
Of delivering a baby, and it looked like you tried to hide it. We do have to have the police involved.
And nothing was crying. It came out with nothing.
I know. But the baby's gonna have to be taken for autopsy, and there'll be an investigator and everything. I'm really sorry.
Where did you put the baby at? Tell me the truth.
517-836-460.
Like, am I doing it with that? You put it in the bag?
Yes.
From what bag? Why did you say anything to us? Do you want to get in trouble for this now? How big is the baby?
It's full term.
What? 9 months? Nothing was crying. Lexee, have you watched the news of the girls that what they do to their babies and what they go to jail? Nothing was crying.
She's not gonna go to jail.
Right now, right now she's being detained, so she's not going to leave from here at all. Period. Okay. So one of us will
Is
be
it in your custody?
Yeah, she's detained. Yeah, she's not under arrest, but.
This shocking discovery set off a criminal investigation that not only divided the small town of Artesia, but soon drew national attention. 4 months later, on May 10th, 2023, police finally arrived at the Trevizo home with a clear mission: arrest 19-year-old Alexee on charges of first-degree murder and tampering with evidence. But when they knocked on the door, it wasn't Alexee who answered. Instead, her mother appeared, immediately sensing the gravity of the situation. The officers began explaining the reason for their presence, carefully outlining the charges and the seriousness of the case. But before they could finish, Alexee's mother was already pushing back. She questioned the accusations, demanded explanations, and argued passionately in her daughter's defense. What unfolded at that doorstep was more than just the start of an arrest. It became the first glimpse into the fierce resistance and controversy that would surround Alexee's case.
Well, you know she has a warrant for her arrest. We don't have a search warrant for your house, we have a warrant for her arrest.
Okay, can we see the warrant?
Yeah, once we get the vote.
She gets a copy of it.
Can I go up there when you take her up there?
You can go to the detention. Do you know where it is?
Everything?
It's
Okay, so what is she under arrest for?
She's over 18. She's got to talk to her.
I understand that,
Right.
Detective Gonzalez.
Right.
What is she under arrest for?
She is warrant for arrest. Okay?
For what?
That's all I'm going to tell you. Okay?
What do you mean that's all you're going to tell me?
She's over the age of 18.
I understand that, but I have a right to know as well.
And we'll tell you that. But
Okay, then let me know now. Let me know now. I'm giving you the cooperation. I told you answer my question. What is she under arrest for?
Like I said, she's over the age of 18. Like, that's not, that is, that we can't really put that information, but bring her out here, we'll tell you.
What is she under arrest
Bring her out here,
for?
we'll tell you right now.
No, I'm not bringing her out here yet. Let me know what she's under
gonna
arrest
get
for.
arrested regardless of how long it is.
For what? For what? For what?
Are you okay with telling me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Tell me.
Homicide. Open count of homicide. And tampering with evidence.
Tampering with evidence?
Yes.
At the hospital?
Yes.
So, can we see her now?
Give me a minute.
Alexee eventually stepped forward, quiet and visibly shaken, her nervousness written all over her face. As the officers prepared to place her under arrest, the tension in the room grew heavier. But through it all, her mother stood firmly by her side, refusing to step back. She shielded her daughter with both words and presence, insisting on fair treatment and voicing her disbelief that Alexee could truly be facing such serious accusations. To the officers, it was procedure, but to a mother, it was unthinkable, a fight to protect her child against a reality she could barely comprehend.
Yeah, it's nothing personal. It really isn't. And we understand. But we have to do our jobs too. Okay?
I understand that. I understand that.
We're not going to be rough with her or anything. We're just going to take her over there and book her.
Please don't be rough with her, please.
Just bring her out. You can be with her the entire time.
What's your name?
Alexee.
Okay. What's the last 4 years social?
She don't even know it.
Oh, no.
I don't know.
Alexee, do you know your date of birth?
Yes.
Okay. What is it?
11/25/03.
Yeah.
Do you have to walk her all the way over there? Can you bring your car up here?
3200 West Main Street, Public Safety Complex. If you just go through the front door. We're tampering. I'll be headed your way shortly.
Alexee was eventually handcuffed and taken away to be booked into jail, facing charges that carried life-changing consequences. Prosecutors alleged that her newborn was alive when placed in the trash and that Alexee's actions directly caused his death. The case immediately hinged on the statements she had made during those chaotic moments in the hospital, statements given in front of doctors, police, and even her own mother. But as the investigation unfolded, her defense team challenged the very foundation of the prosecution's case, arguing that Alexee's words should have never been admitted in court. They claimed her statements were protected under doctor-patient privilege, and because she was never read her rights, anything she said should be considered inadmissible. Shockingly, a judge agreed. The confession, along with portions of the hospital's security footage, was thrown out, a decision that drastically altered the direction of the case. Without the confession, proving intent became a monumental